This video shows a quick overview of SRS Industries demonstration tooling fixture showing various ways to use your captive fasteners. Thank you for joining us at SRS Industries. This is one of a series of videos that we will be talking to you about what SRS Industries has to offer you in the way of fastening tooling plates, panels, modules, or anything else that needs to be fastened using a captive fastener. No more loose knobs or hardware. For additional information, visit our website at srsindustries.com or call us at 630-569-5007. What is a captive knob screw fastener? A captive knob screw fastener assembly is a device which connects two items together in the same manner that a screw or a bolt would be used. The difference between using a screw or a bolt is that a captive knob screw fastener assembly stays attached to your product and can be configured for many various applications. When used on machinery or tooling fixtures, it allows fast changes and setups, as well as eliminating lost clamping knobs or hardware. No additional tools required. They also make good grip handles when handling the items which they are attached to. These fasteners come in various sizes and configurations. Mounting configurations consist of a retainer ring collet or a threaded collet. The retainer type installations can be installed in a single mounting hole or in a slotted hole configuration. A counterbore must be machined on the back side of either of the configurations. The threaded collet type installations is a much simpler installation. It will allow you to just screw the collet of the knob fastener into the panel or the module plate. The next few videos we will show you a quick overview of SRS Industries demonstration tooling fixture showing various ways to use our captive fasteners. There are many various applications and configurations that our captive fasteners offer. I highly recommend that you view our entire series of videos. As you view our front panel, you will notice that we are using various types of captive fasteners. As we rotate the panel, you will notice that the captive fasteners are in the unfastened position, and you have a flush surface on the back side. Next, we are going to temporarily disconnect the hinge for the purpose of showing you the rotation of the front panel. We will now unfasten a few of the fasteners and just leave the center and the bottom fastener fastened. As we rotate the panel, you will notice that it will only rotate as far as the slot will allow. We will now unfasten the bottom fastener located in the slotted hole, and we can now rotate a complete 360 degrees. I will now reconnect the hinge so that you can see the panel in the swing configuration, and the captive knob now becomes your door handle and latch. Close your door panel and secure it to the module by placing downward pressure onto the captive fastener. Tighten the fastener until secure. See all of our series of videos by going to our website, YouTube, or Facebook. We have many variations of captive knob fasteners and types of usage configurations. See you on our next video. It's SRS Industries, 630-569-5007.